You can take my heart, you can take my breath when you pry it from my cold dead chest. This is how we rise up, heavy as a hurricane, louder than a freight train. This is how we rise up, heart is beating faster, feels like thunder, magic static, call me a fanatic. It's our world, they can never have it. This is how we rise up. It's our resistance, you can't resist us.
Welcome to Cold Edits. That's me.
How can I lose an entire track?
We gotta work on your solo gliding there, bud. That locked up tail makes for some pretty sloppy rescue maneuvers, eh?
Looks like we found another one, bud. Oh, what? Do you want an apology? Is that why you're pouting, big baby boo? We'll try this on! Oh, you feeling it yet? Huh? Picking up on all of my heartfelt remorse? Oh, come on. Yeah, you wouldn't hurt a one-legged... Oh, you're right. You win. He's down. Oh, and it's ugly. Dragons and Vikings. Enemies again. Locked in combat to the bitter. You know that doesn't wash out. What should we name it? Itchy Armpit it is. What do you reckon, bud? Think we might find a few timberjacks in those woods? The odd whispering death or two in the rocks? Who knows? Maybe we'll finally track down another Night Fury. Wouldn't that be something? So what do you say? Just keep going?
Hey, you okay, kid?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I did it. Oh, I did it! This fixes everything! Yes!
What?
It's not me. All those speeches and planning and running the village, that's his thing.
Oh man, I really should have gone first.
I'm not like you. You know exactly who you are, you always have, but I'm still looking.
It's not the dragon I'm worried about.
Yes.
Look, I'm gonna try to put an end to all this, but if something goes wrong in there, just don't get involved. My dad respects you too much.
Just give me until tomorrow. I'll figure something out.
And that's all I need.
What are you looking at?